Hi everyone, and welcome back to Keto Treat Day with the Keto Treat Gal. Coming at you today with a sweet treat, a treat out. Sometimes I make one, sometimes I show you things that are out that you can buy that are keto approved. For starters, go ahead right there and hit that big red subscribe button if you're new to my channel and subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss what I have to share with you guys in this new year. I have been on a 4-year keto journey. In the first 15 months, I lost 150 plus pounds and been maintaining that out for almost 2 years. Just did a 4-year keto journey. If you'd like to see that, it's in the playlist under my keto journey. Definitely check that out. And I was taught professionally by a keto doctor, 2 keto nutritionists, my brother who teaches this as a job, and all of the studying that I have done. And I have helped thousands get their life back, and I want to help you too. We're in a new year, so let's get healthy and get away from this obesity world we live in, and also change that 99% will fail to 99% will succeed. Also, go ahead and hit that bell so you are notified of all of my uploads so you don't miss anything that I have to share, because I have a lot of interesting facts and things that are true and that will help each and every one of you have success like I have. Thirdly, go ahead and share my channel. I want 2020 to be my biggest year for gaining more subscribers and helping many more people get their life back. I have helped thousands, but it's not enough. I want to help many more. So if you could help me by sharing my channel, that will help me to help you. And I do all of this for free. I want to help you for free. I link my email down below, so if you need help, extra help, I will help you. I do have to ask some personal questions on your weight, your gender, your height, things like that. So send me an email and I'll help you get set up on macros and understand keto more properly. I will soon be doing another keto update, a keto video talking about how keto works, what it does, how you eat, all of that for all the newcomers, and just something new for my channel again, just to update it, because I learn things myself as time goes along. Also, shoot me a thumbs up, which helps my channel to grow as well, makes me smile, and also lets me know you guys are enjoying my videos. Now, onto this keto treat, the Rebel ice cream. It says keto right on it. It says high fat, low carb, keto, no sugar added ice cream. Well, when it says keto, 99% of the time it's true keto, but still look into it, okay? Just to make sure, because some companies can just write keto when it's not. But my good friend Monica has been able to find this ice cream. She has shared it on her channel, and it's amazing. She said, I can't wait to try it. My husband's already opened it and tried it because he did buy it. So he said he's the first one that gets to try it, and he said it's absolutely delicious. But yeah, I'm excited. He said there's many flavors. He found it at my Hy-Vee. I haven't been able to find it at Walmart or Target or anything. I've been looking around. I did show you guys that Carb Smart one. Now that one truly isn't keto. If you eat a couple bites of it, you'd be all right. But let's stay away from that. Let's start the year off right and do real true keto ice cream. If you can't find this, I believe you can look online, look on Amazon, or look online, see if you can order it. If you can't find it in your Hy-Vee, or I can't remember where Monica got it from her channel, but it's Team Dave and Mon. If you want to check it out, go to her video. I'll link her channel down below so you guys can go to that and find her one that she talks about where she got it, okay? And then also, yeah, I just was excited when my husband, had come out of the store with this, and I'm like, oh, finally I get to try the Rebel ice cream that I know is truly keto. Another thing great about this, you guys, is do you see that number on there? 4 grams of carbs. Now that is a net, okay, because we're going to deduct the dietary fiber and the good sugar that we can have on keto. But if you were to eat this entire pint, it's only 4 net carbs. Now let's go over that. It says it's 12 total carbs. So if you count total carb, which I've always done net carb, but if you count the total carb, then it would be 12 for the entire pint, okay? And we only do 20 in a day. Usually if you're eating more than 1 meal a day, you should only do 6 or less in a day. Now, that doesn't mean you have to meet your 20 grams of a macro a day for your carb. You can do 0 carb and be okay. You can eat carnivore, so don't worry about that. But if you're going to do net, like I did throughout my whole journey and have had complete success, you can deduct the 3 dietary fiber and the erythritol, which is 8 grams, which is 1 gram, because there's 4 servings here at a half a cup, which would be 1 gram, which would mean if you ate the whole thing, which is 4 servings, would be 4 carbs, you guys. Do you see that? It says 4 net carbs per pint. And this is a pint of ice cream. So you can eat the whole thing, but it is high fat. And I do teach that if you're doing this for weight loss, you want to use the high fat on your body for your high fat intake. A lot of people think that you're supposed to eat 75% because it's 75% fat, 20% protein, 5% carb. But that was for skinny people back in the 1920s that had epilepsy, and they were skinny kids. That's why they needed 75%. I need 75% because I'm in maintenance mode, because I'm skinny. But if you're doing this for weight loss, do it the way I did and use your body fat mostly to lose the weight as your high fat source and eat lower fat things. And you will get that weight off much more quickly, get to maintenance mode, and succeed. Because people that don't get there quick enough really don't succeed, and that's the problem. Let's get there quickly. Because come on, let's be realistic here. How many people want to wait years and years and years and years and years to lose weight? Everybody wants to get it off now, get into maintenance mode, and up those calories, which you get to do on keto, which is awesome. Up those fats to 75% fat gram and enjoy it. Little me, 5'3", 128 to 130 pounds. I eat 22 to 2,500 calories a day with no weight gain. It's amazing, and I eat so good. And I'll go over that in a video because I'm going to do an updated keto video and go over everything and teach and everything, you know, just to have an updated keto video for you guys and go over all the things you can eat, all, you know, what keto is and all of that. I'm going to do an updated video for you guys, for my newcomers and the old people, because even I learn every few months, I learn new things as well. But anyways, so awesome that they came out with a keto ice cream now, and this one is totally keto approved. I'm going to read the ingredients for you guys. It's cream, water, erythritol, which is the good sugar, chocolate flakes, coconut oil, cocoa, erythritol, or I already said that. Well, I'm saying it says it again. Erythritol, sunflower, lecithin, salt, Dutch cocoa, natural vanilla flavor, monk fruit, another one we can have, because we can have monk fruit, stevia, or erythritol. Chicory, root fiber, egg yolks, vegetable glycerin, milk protein isolate, natural mint flavor, salt, and carbon gum, curry gum, and monk fruit. Contains milk, eggs, and coconut. Wow, you guys, everything that is keto approved. How exciting. And I'm just excited to be coming and sharing you a sweet treat that we can have now when the family goes out and they want to go to Dairy Queen because they're not doing keto, but you are and you're staying strong. You can stop and get the ice cream and enjoy it right with your family. So let's enjoy this together right now. Now, yes, it's already open because my husband already had a little bit. He said it was great, but now it's my turn. I do 1 meal a day. My 22 to 2,500 calories, I do all in one meal. That's just how I like to do it. I like to eat every 24 hours because it's very good to be hitting those stages of fasting and autophagy. Autophagy. Of course, you hit it even more when you do like every other day eating, and that's how I used to do it. But I like doing 1 meal a day, and I just feel good at that, and that's how I do it. Sometimes I'll eat more in one meal, but basically I'm a 1 meal girl, and I've just had my dinner, so we're gonna have a couple bites of this, and then the intermittent fasting and keto go hand in hand. So I do recommend that you try that. 16 hours is the lowest amount that they have you do it. So work your way up to that. And so it's 6 hours or 16 hours where you don't eat, 8 hours where you do eat if you're eating more than one meal. If you eat more than one or eat only one meal like I do, then you can have all 20 of your carbs in that one meal. But of course, it's kind of hard to meet that macro when you're eating one meal, but sometimes it's not, depending on what you're eating. But you don't have to. You can do zero. Like I said, you can do zero carb and be okay. You can do carnivore. You don't even have to eat carbs, so don't worry about that. And don't let anybody fool you on that one. And you will have all the energy you need. If it's either your body fat working as your energy, once you hit that high ketosis stage, it takes 1 to 3 weeks to get into keto when you're first starting. But once you reach that and you've come down off the carbs and you're working on the fats, you can go into the gym and everything. You don't need carbs to keep yourself going. A lot of people say that they need carbs because they're hitting the gym. Fat will act as the same energy for you. So don't worry about that. Let's give this mint chip, is it mint chip? Yep, mint chip ice cream a try. First off, it smells really good. I can't wait to try it. Let me get up here and show you guys. I want to kind of block out the light though and show you. Look at all the big chunks of pieces in there. Yum, yum, yum. And it's a vanilla flavor. I'm guessing it smells like the mint chocolate ice cream, so I'm guessing that's what it's going to be like, but probably more vanilla. Oh, wow. Very close to chocolate mint ice cream, but it does have that small vanilla flavor. So it would be more like the vanilla mint ice cream. Oh my God. That is so yummy. Oh my gosh, Monica, this is so good. My husband says a lot of flavors, but he went with this one for me. Oh, that is good. But I've already had my calories for the day. I probably had about 50 calories left, so I figured I'd have a few bites of it. And I'm a strong girl. I stay within my macros. I never go out, and that's why I've had so much success. I went into this journey with the mindset of 100%, and that's why I've had 100% success. If you look at my intro, you'll see if you want to lose weight as bad as you want to breathe, you will succeed. And what do they say? You wouldn't cheat on your mate, so why would you cheat on keto? So try not to have too many cheat days. Throughout my 4-year journey, I've only had 9 cheat days, and I didn't have my first cheat day until I hit maintenance mode, which means I've only had a few cheat days within my maintenance eating. I waited till I got to maintenance before I cheated. But it's your body. You can do what you want. It just takes longer to get there because it knocks you out, messes with your mind. You got to try to get back into keto, and it just takes time, and it's so stressful. So try not to do a lot of cheating, but you're not cheating if you have this, okay? And if you are trying to lose weight, this wouldn't be one I would recommend to do all the time because it is very high fat. It says right on it. It's got 15 grams, and that's just for a half a cup. So there's 4 servings, so 15 times 4. That would be very high fat, and the saturated is 10. So it would be pretty high fat, but it is a good fat, like they say. So if you're having a dirty keto day, while in weight loss, go ahead and have a little bit of this. Try not to eat the whole pint, though. If you're trying to lose weight, just enjoy a few bites. Even me in maintenance, I'm only going to have a few bites of it. My good friend Monica only eats a few bites of it. But you can have the whole thing. It's 4 net carbs. So just be careful. But if you're in maintenance mode, enjoy yourself and have fun. But yeah, if you need a day and you're craving ice cream, and like us women in our monthly cycles, we need something sweet right here. A couple great bites of this would really help us, right? And it's delicious. I can't wait to try all the flavors. My husband did say that it is around just under $5, which isn't bad because Ben & Jerry's is around $5 for a pint of ice cream. So it's not that expensive, which is very great, and just be frugal with it. Be careful. Remember, be strong, you guys. That's the most important that I can tell you. Be strong, don't have a lot of cheat days, and go in 100% when you're doing this way of life. Again, if you need any help, my email's down below, and I'll help each and every one of you, and I will be doing an updated keto video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to try all the different flavors, and I hope all of you will have a Hy-Vee to be able to get this, or the store that she got it at. You can go into her videos. It's Team Dave and Mon. I'll link it down below. Check out where she got hers from. Maybe you have that at one of your stores. If not, look online. I'm sure that they sell this online as well. So, but anyways, I hope everyone is doing well and their 2020 is going great, and everybody's dieting and getting the weight off and doing it the right way. Keto's the way to go. Remember all the stuff that I just told you guys, all the wonderful benefits. Well, now I'm going to go over and do a video and tell you all about keto, how it works. Like I said, for my newcomers, my old comers, because I learn stuff every day. So I'm going to do an updated video and more recipe videos to come this week and everything. So watch for that. Hit that bell so you guys don't miss nothing. And if you're interested in keeping everything keto, like I always say, because my channel is Keep It Keto. If you'd like a t-shirt, go ahead and send me an email and I'll send you a t-shirt to get the 2020 year started off right, because I know the couple people that I've given some t-shirts to have said it's really helped them to stay on track because they see that shirt that says Keep It Keto and it keeps them on track. I can make either t-shirts, a tank top, a sweatshirt, a hoodie, whatever you want. You let me know and I'll put my logo, Keep It Keto, on there for you guys so you will always remember to what? Always remember to keep it keto. Everybody take care and God bless.